In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your browser. I recommend switching to week view so you can see the full layout of your shifts, but any view will work. Click on the specific date where you want the first shift to begin. This opens a small event card. Give the event a clear, descriptive title. For example, you might use a label like morning shift or front desk opening. Keeping names consistent makes it easier to scan your calendar later. Next, set the start and end time so the shift matches your actual working hours. If needed, adjust the time zone and choose a color that helps differentiate this shift type from others. You can also add notes in the description field such as location, responsibilities, or quick handover details, and set notifications if you want reminders before each shift begins. To access all scheduling controls, click More Options. In the full editor, look for the section that says Does Not Repeat. By default, events are one-off, but we want a rotation. Click Does Not Repeat to open the Repeat menu. From here, choose Custom so you can build a rotation that fits your schedule precisely. In the custom settings, pick how often it repeats, such as every week or every 2 weeks, and select the days of the week that apply. For example, if your morning shift runs Monday through Friday, select those days. If it rotates every other week, set the interval to every 2 weeks. If your rotation starts on a particular date, make sure that start date is reflected correctly. You can also define when the rotation ends by selecting a specific end date or a number of occurrences, which is helpful for temporary schedules or seasonal coverage. Once you've selected the pattern that matches your shift rotation, click Done. You'll see a summary of the repeat rule, so give it a quick read to make sure it says exactly what you intend. For instance, every 2 weeks on Mon, Wed, Fry, or weekly on Tuvo and Thu until end date. When everything looks right, click Save. Your shift now appears across the calendar according to the rotation you set. After saving, review the week view to confirm the coverage and spacing. If you need to refine the title, color, time, or repeat rule, open the event series again and adjust as needed. With these steps, you've created a reliable shift schedule and rotation in Google Calendar that's easy to manage and simple for your team to follow.